Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Jain and I have secured rank 377 in the UPSC Civil Services examination this year. And here I would like to take the opportunity to mention that how I have used the Sunya IAS mains booklets for GS 1, 2, 3, 4, and they helped me immensely in my preparation, and I would also specifically mention how. So in the whole of the syllabus in the GS 1, 2, 3, 4, there are certain specific topics which are nowhere covered in any of the other sources, and we usually end up leaving those topics and we don't have certain further points which are required for those specific topics. For example, the land reforms topic. Usually in any of the current affairs that topic is not there, but you will find a question on that topic in the examination. So how these notes helped me was that on every topic that is there in the syllabus for these GS 1, 2, 3, 4, on every topic there is some brownie points which are there in those GS 1, 2, 3, 4 booklets. So how I particularly used was that I made 2-pager notes on every topic from those Sunya IAS mains booklets, and even the way in which the content is structured in those GS 1, 2, 3, 4 booklets is very streamlined. For example, if we are starting the topic of MSP, let's say in that notes, so we will start with the introduction, then we will see that what are its implications, what are the political implications, what are the economic implications, what are the fiscal implications. And that is how it helps you to open the dimensions in the answers, which is what is required in the final stage, which is when you are sitting in the examination hall. Okay. So this was the most important source when it comes to GS 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can solely rely on it. That has been my experience and the experience of some other friends that I had who have secured rank this year. So thank you so much Sunya IAS for these booklets, and also thank you for the different activity that you played on YouTube, different live courses, different answer writing sessions, and they all helped me immensely, and I am indebted to Sunya IAS for this achievement of mine today, and thank you so much.